Question number 42. Which of the following helps in genetic diversity in the living organisms? A. Mitotic division. B. Budding. C. Spores. D. Meiotic divisions. Said here, helps in genetic diversity. Help in genetic diversity. What helping the genetic diversity? For sure is the meiosis. So the meiotic division, in which there is a crossover. There is a crossover. Yes, because there is a crossing over process, there is a shuffling, a twinkling, and exchanging of segments of the chromosome that causes the genetic variation. That's why the resultant of the meiotic division are genetically unique or genetically different cells, while the meiosis is resulting in genetically identical cells, which has, yes, no or little or few variation.